discussing case 2. Case 2 is what? In case 2 is what? If m comma n belongs to even integer, then what you will do? If m comma n belongs to even integer, then we will try to remove power. Okay, so here we have to use trigonometry formula. For example, if I have sine square x, okay, so here power is 2. So sine square x, we have to use here cos 2x formula. So sine square x we can write as what? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, so this is trigonometry function. Here power is 2, and this is also another trigonometry function. Here power is 1. Similarly, if I have cos square x, then here what we will do? 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. Okay, sine 3x. Sine 3x is what? 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Okay, that means if I have sine cube x, so sine cube x we can write as what? 3 sine x minus sine 3x divided by 4. And similarly cos 3x. Cos 3x is what? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So from here cos cube x we can write as what? Cos 3x plus 3 cos x minus divided by 4. Okay, so sine 3x we can write 3 sine x minus sine cube x divided by 4, and cos 3x we can write what? Cos cube x we can write what? Cos 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 4. Okay, so we will try to reduce the power. For example, suppose we want to integrate sine power 6x dx. Okay, so what you will do here? So here what you will do? Sine power 6x, first we can write what? Sine power 3x whole square dx. So sine power 3x we can write what? 3 sine x minus sine cube x sine 3x divided by 4. So this will come what? 3 sine x minus sine 3x divided by 4 whole square dx. This will come. So here what will come? 1 by 16 is what? Outside. Integration of, and here we will do square. So what will come here? 9 sine square x plus sine square 3x minus 2 into 3 sine x into sine 3x. 3 sine x into sine 3x into dx. This will come. Okay, so here what we'll do? 1 by 16 outside, integration of 9 is as it is. Sine square x, what we can write? Sine square x we can write 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So this will come what? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 plus sine square 3x. Okay, so here instead of x if we put 3x, so sine square 3x what will come? 1 minus cos 2 into 3x divided by 2. So this will come what? 1 minus cos 2 into 3x divided by 2. Okay, here what you will do? Minus 3 as it is, 2 sine x into sine 3x. So 2 sine x into sine 3x, what you can write here? Cos of 3x minus x minus cos of 3x plus x dx. This formula we will use. Okay, now what you will do here? 1 by 16 integration of, this one we can simplify. So this one we can write what? 9 by 2 minus 9 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 2 minus cos of 6x divided by 2. And here what will come? Minus 3 if you multiply inside. So what will come here? Minus 3 into cos 2x. So minus 3 into cos 2. And minus 3 into minus what? Plus 3 into cos 4x and dx. This will come. Now we can integrate this one. So what will come here? 1 by 16 outside. This will come out 9 by 2 x minus 9 by 2 cos 2x integration what will come? Sin 2x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 cos 6x integration what will come? Sin 6x divided by 6 minus 3 cos 2x integration again sin 2x divided by 2 plus 3 cos 4x integration what will come? Sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. This is your answer. Now we can simplify this one. Next example is integration of sin square x into cos power 4x dx. So this we want to integrate this one. So what you will do here this next problem is integration of sin square x into cos power 4x dx. So this we want to integrate. So here we can see this one power is even and this one power is even. Then what you will do, we will use here trigonometry formulas. Okay, and we will try to reduce this equation in terms of degree 1. Here power is what 2 and here power is 4. So we will remove power 2 and power 4. So for that what you will do, integration of this one we can write sin square x and this one cos power 4x we can write what cos square x into cos square x dx. Now here what you will do, we will multiply here 2 square and divide 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is outside, integration of 2 square sin square x cos square x. So this one we get 2 sin x cos x whole square. This one we can write 2 sin x cos x whole square. And this cos square x we can write 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 dx. So what will come here? 1 by 4 integration of 2 sin x cos x. This one we can write sin 2x whole square 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 dx. So this will come what? 1 by 4 and this is 2 will come here. So what will come? 1 by 8. Integration of sin 2x whole square. So this one we can write what? 1 minus cos 4x divided by 2. Okay, sin 2x whole square we can write 1 minus cos 4x divided by 2 and this what 1 plus cos 2x dx. So this will come what? 1 by 16 integration of, if you multiply these two what will come here? 1 plus cos 2x minus cos 4x minus cos 4x into cos 2x dx. This will come. So what will come here? 1 by 16 in bracket. This one integration we can do. So what will come here? X plus cos 2x integration what will come? Sin 2x divided by 2 minus cos 4x integration we can write what? Sin 4x divided by 4 minus integration. This is what? Cos 4x into cos 2x. So here what you can do? 1 by 2 cos 4x cos 2x dx. This one we can write. So this what? 1 by 16 in bracket x plus sin 2x divided by 2 minus sin 4x divided by 4 minus 1 by 2 is outside, integration of 2 cos a cos b. So 2 cos a cos b is what? Cos a plus b. So 4x plus 2x 6x plus cos 4x minus 2x. So what will come? Cos 2x dx. Bracket close. So this will come what? 1 by 16 x plus sin 2x divided by 2 minus sin 4x divided by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos 6x integration what will come? Sin 6x divided by 6 and cos 2x integration what will come? Plus sin 2x divided by 2 plus c. This is your answer. So if power is even, how to solve? By this process.